The Beetroot Boost, 10 surprising benefits of eating beets every day. Hello everyone, are you ready to take a journey with me today into the vibrant, colorful and powerful world of beets? I know, maybe it's not the first vegetable you think of when you imagine a daily diet change, but I promise you, by the end of this talk, you might just be reaching for a beet before your morning coffee. So, let's dive right in. Let's start with a countdown, because I have 10 reasons why beets might just be the ultimate superfood you never knew you needed. Number 10. Beets boost your brain power. Ever find yourself struggling to concentrate or remember where you left your keys? Well, beets contain nitrates, which help increase blood flow to the brain. More oxygen to your brain means clearer thoughts, sharper focus, and better memory. Think of it as a little brain boost in every bite. Number 9. Energy like you've never felt before. Feeling sluggish? Beets are rich in natural sugars and essential nutrients that give you a steady release of energy. No spikes, no crashes, just pure, sustained vitality. Imagine going through your day without that afternoon slump. It's like nature's version of an energy drink, without the jitters. Number 8. Supports a healthy heart. Beets are also your heart's best friend. The nitrates in beets not only help your brain but also lower blood pressure and improve cardiovascular health. Daily beet consumption can lead to better blood flow and a lower risk of heart disease. It's like having a mini cardiologist right in your salad bowl. Number 7. Reduces inflammation. Inflammation is the root cause of so many chronic diseases, from arthritis to heart disease. Beets are packed with betalains, which are powerful antioxidants that help reduce inflammation. Think of it as a cooling agent for your body, keeping things calm and balanced. Number 6. A natural detox partner. Our bodies work hard to filter toxins, and beets are the ultimate helper in this process. They support liver function, helping it do its job more efficiently. In other words, beets are like having a personal detox team, flushing out those unwanted toxins and keeping your system clean and healthy. Number 5. Promotes digestive health. If you want a happier gut, beets have got you covered. Their high fiber content helps keep things moving smoothly through your digestive system. It's not glamorous, but let's be honest, a happy gut is a happy life, and beets make that happen. Number 4. Boosts stamina and athletic performance. If you've ever seen athletes downing a beet juice shot before a big race, there's a reason for that. The nitrates in beets help improve oxygen usage, enhancing stamina and performance. So whether you're running a marathon or just chasing after grandkids, beets can give you that extra boost. Number 3. Supports weight loss goals. Here's a fun fact. Beets are low in calories but high in nutrients. This means you can fill up on them without worrying about packing on the pounds. The fiber in beets also helps keep you feeling full longer, making them a fantastic choice if you're looking to trim down a little. Number 2. Radiant skin thanks to beets. Want that glowing, youthful look without spending a fortune on skincare products? Beets are rich in vitamins C and A, which are essential for skin health. Regularly eating beets can help keep your skin clear, hydrated and glowing. It's like having a facial from the inside out. And finally, the number 1 benefit. Beets boost your immune system. In a world where staying healthy is more important than ever, beets come packed with essential vitamins like vitamin C and minerals that help strengthen your immune system. They're like little soldiers fighting off illness, keeping you strong and ready for whatever life throws your way. So there you have it, 10 incredible benefits of eating beets every day. From boosting your brain power to enhancing your athletic performance and everything in between, beets are truly a gift from nature. Now I challenge you, give beets a try, make them a part of your daily routine, and watch how your body transforms. Maybe you'll even find yourself becoming a beet enthusiast, spreading the word about this bright, earthy veggie. Thank you all for joining me on this beet-filled journey today, and remember, sometimes the simplest things, like a beet, can lead to the most profound changes. Enjoy the Beet Boost and have a fantastic day.
Now listen carefully and listen to science. I share with you 3 specific studies on the benefits of beetroot. 1. Improved cardiovascular health through nitrate-rich beetroot juice. In a 2013 study published in Hypertension, researchers investigated the impact of beetroot juice consumption on blood pressure levels in adults. The study revealed that the high nitrate content in beets converts to nitric oxide in the body, leading to improved vasodilation and reduced blood pressure. Participants who consumed beet juice daily showed a significant reduction in systolic blood pressure levels. Source: Kapil v. et al., 2013. The beneficial effects of dietary nitrate on blood pressure and vascular function. Hypertension, 615-1201-1207. Date: 2013. Journal of the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics evaluated the effects of daily beet consumption on athletic performance. The study focused on cyclists who consumed beetroot juice daily for 2 weeks. Results demonstrated improved oxygen uptake and increased time to exhaustion, indicating enhanced endurance and stamina. Source: Clifford, Tibor et al., 2015. Effects of beetroot juice supplementation on performance, a systematic review and meta-analysis. Journal of the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics, 115, 45, 71-582. Date: 2015 examined the antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects of beets. Researchers found that the betalains present in beets significantly reduced oxidative stress markers and inflammation in the body when consumed daily. This suggests that regular beet consumption may help prevent chronic diseases associated with inflammation, such as cardiovascular disease and arthritis. Source: Kujala, T.S. et al., 2012. Antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties of beetroot, beta vulgaris, extracts. Nutrients, 45560-572. Date: 2012. These studies provide a robust scientific foundation for the cardiovascular, performance-enhancing, and anti-inflammatory benefits of consuming beets daily.
Beetroot to your meals, a simple boost for your health. Hello, everyone. Today, I want to talk about a simple yet powerful addition you can make to your meals: beetroot. Whether you love its earthy flavor or you're new to it, beets are a nutritional powerhouse packed with benefits. First, beets are incredibly versatile. You can roast them, blend them into smoothies, add them to salads, or even turn them into a delicious soup. And they don't just add color to your plate. They bring a whole host of health benefits too. Rich in essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, beets can help boost your energy, support your heart, and even improve brain function. If you're looking to stay active or feel more energized throughout your day, the nitrates in beets help improve oxygen flow in your body, enhancing both physical performance and stamina. Plus, they're a fantastic way to naturally detoxify your system, supporting liver health and digestion. So, next time you're thinking about what to cook, consider including beetroot in your meals. It's a small change that can lead to big benefits, and your body will thank you for it. Thank you, and here's to healthy eating.
Live well, age strong, your guide to a healthier, happier you, health guide.